Good morning, class. How's everybody doing today?
Good.
Good. Has anyone ever wanted to throw a rock but didn't because you were afraid you were going to get in trouble?
Yeah.
What if I told you we could all throw rocks, go out and throw rocks without having the fear of getting in trouble? Would anyone want to do that? Excellent. That brings us to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we're gonna show how to skip rocks on a water or river, and we're gonna start first by watching a short clip on one of our favorite movies. Anybody ever seen Grown Ups? All right. Well, let's watch the clip then. All right, it takes a little while to load. Here we go.
You want to try it? Sure, but I see that sports. Is it like this? Like down low and throw it, and let the rock do the magic. No, he did it! Do you know how to skip rocks, Mrs. Fuller? Are you kidding me? I am the best at this. Give me that. I want to.
Now that was kind of funny, wasn't it? Alright. So, who wants to throw rocks without getting in trouble? Alright. What I'm going to do now is give you a handout on the basic art of actually throwing the rocks in the body of water and to allow them to skip. Does anyone know about science yet? Yeah? What do you think rock skipping incorporates? What science? Do you know? Go ahead, Ocean.
It hits the water, but the water makes a vibration and puts it up.
Yeah? Do you know what kind of science it is? The name of the actual science is called physics. So, right now what we're going to do is I'm going to give you the handout. So, here's the handout. Here you go. Here you go. Alright, yes, Ocean?
Does the rock have to be flat, or does it have to be fat?
Excellent question. That's what we're going to get into, though, with this worksheet here. So, go ahead and look at your worksheet. And what does that say on the top there, Ocean?
Skipping rocks on water.
Alright.
Find a mostly
Flat.
water
Surface.
which
With.
a good
Supply.
supply of rock.
Okay. Go ahead and stop there. Georgie, what does that basically mean? What do you think she means by that?
I think it means that you can't skip rocks with waves crashing down.
Like an ocean?
Yeah.
That's funny, huh? Not like this ocean, but an actual Pacific Ocean or Atlantic or a lake would work. What else?
Pond? Or
Pond would work. Maybe a lake. Alright, let's go on to step 2. So after we found a good river or a creek or lake or pond, like you said, what are we going to do now? Go ahead and read the second one. Ocean.
Table.
Nope. The second one. We're going to be right here. What's that say? Just in the black. Just the highlighted. Select.
Your rock.
Okay, so when we're selecting a rock, like Ocean said earlier, we're going to look for what kind of rock? George?
flat one?
Flat, skinny, and about what size do you think? Do you think like a little small one? Do you think that would work? No? Yeah, because that tends to fly off, and too light, it's not going to travel very far as well. So we're going to get a rock maybe about this size and throw it under. Okay, so read the next index point.
Put your index finger against the edge of the rock.
Okay, so put your index finger against the edge of the rock. What do you think that means? Go ahead, George.
Put your pointer finger on the outside of the rock.
So like this. Okay. Next, number 4. Go ahead, Ocean.
Stand
With
with your feet,
shoulder.
shoulder, width
Good. Apart.
apart, fingers
Facing.
facing,
Sideways.
sideways to the water
With
with your
non-dominant
non-dominant
side.
side
Closest.
closest to the water's
Edge.
edge.
Okay. Again, what do you think Ocean means by that?
I think it means that your feet need to be if you take your shoulders and go down, your feet
So
have
kind
to
of like
be.
this.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then, when you face sideways, I think it means not directly, like just a little bit to the side.
Okay.
And then, with your good arm,
So throwing our.
yeah,
Okay.
closest to the water.
Mm-hmm. When you release it, it's going to be closest to the water. Okay. You want to read the number 5 for me?
And flick your rock arm
Across.
across the surface with a sharp movement of the
Wrist.
wrist.
All right. Very good. So flick your rock across the surface with a sharp movement of the wrist. So like this, you think? Or do you think you want to throw it overhand like a baseball? What if I threw it around like a baseball? Ocean, what if I threw it around like a baseball? Threw the rock like that. Do you think it would skip?
No, I think it would just fall into the water.
Okay. So what do you think we should, how do you think we should throw it?
Like,
Like maybe a little lower, a little sidearm, like that? And then when it says flick your wrist, what do you think they mean by that? George?
Instead of just throwing it, you would have to like take your wrist and put it backwards and then like that.
Yes, and at the same time you want to release it from the finger and let it roll off your finger. Alright, and what's the last one say?
keep trying.
Alright. So, obviously, you're not going to get it the first time, second time. You're going to have to keep going until you can get it. You want to know what the world record is? How many skips across the water?
I think it's 51.
51? Well, let's see if you're right. We're going to look at a video here of the longest skip in history across the water.
9 minutes.
Alright. Alright, let's find it. Here we go. Watch this. This is amazing. Russell Byers. It says it travels 250 feet, 76 meters. Alright, it doesn't want to work. Let's find another one. There we go. This is the same guy, I believe. There we go. No, that's him.
Oh, go, baby, go. Get out of them ripples.
Holy
saying holy cow. They weren't gonna say a bad word. But alright, let me turn that off. Alright, so what would you guys think if we went to to a river or a lake and actually skipped rocks? Would that be a good time?
Yes.
Yeah? Alright, well, we're actually going to do that. So does that sound like fun?
Yeah.
Alright, so before we go, I want to show you what good skipping rocks are. So, I'll give you... This is actually a stone. It's a triangle stone. That's pretty cool. That would skip very well.
It looks like it's wood.
No, it's a little stone. And see how you can grip this one?